Today I'll be walking you through how to teach the deck on Beckman Coulter's BioMek's iSeries liquid handlers. I'm Ryan with DCM Bioservices, and as always, if you don't feel comfortable performing these steps on your own instrument, reach out to us today at service@dcmbio.com. Before doing anything, good practice is to make sure your deck is completely clear of all obstructions. Another good thing to check is to make sure your AccuFrame is plugged into the designated port at the bottom left of the instrument. After that, make sure that you attach your teaching tool with the words front facing the front of the instrument. And make sure it is clicked all the way to the top. Now go to your computer and access the Utilities tab, and under Instrument, click Deck Editor. From Deck Editor, choose the position that you wish to teach and double-click. After double-clicking, find the Auto Teach feature and click that. Go back to your deck, make sure your AccuFrame is in the correct position. Hit Enter or click OK, and it should auto-teach that position. After the instrument has done its steps, decide whether you want to shift out or shift position. Usually the defaulted option is what you would like to select. Click OK, hit OK once more, and after that, make sure you click Save to lock in your position. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Check out our other lab automation how-to videos and visit our website at dcmbio.com for more service options. If you need help, please email us at service@dcmbio.com. Check the video description for all the links.